Double-hung window installation is a popular choice for homeowners in Cayce seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Double-hung windows Cayce provide excellent ventilation in a timeless design that complements many home styles. Our team of window installation experts in Cayce specializes in providing top-notch double-hung window replacement services, ensuring your home benefits from improved energy efficiency and style. With our custom window solutions, you can choose from a variety of window style options to perfectly match your home's design. Energy-efficient windows are essential for reducing energy costs and improving comfort in your Cayce home. Double-hung windows Cayce are designed to seal tightly, helping reduce air leaks and maintain indoor temperatures. Our energy-efficient windows Cayce services focus on providing windows that offer superior insulation and UV protection, helping you save on energy bills while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our window energy savings solutions are designed to maximize your home's efficiency and reduce your carbon footprint. Window frame installation is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity and appearance of your windows. Double-hung windows Cayce require durable frames to ensure long-lasting performance and smooth operation. Our window frame installation Cayce services ensure that your windows remain in excellent condition, preventing drafts and enhancing energy efficiency. We also offer window sash replacement and window seal installation to address any issues that may compromise your window's performance. Home window upgrades in Cayce can significantly enhance your property's value and curb appeal. Double-hung windows Cayce are a popular upgrade choice because of their versatility and classic style. Our residential window services Cayce include a wide range of options, from vinyl window replacement to custom window solutions, allowing you to choose the perfect windows for your home. Our window design consultation services help you make informed decisions about the best window style options for your needs. Window glass replacement is an essential service for maintaining the clarity and functionality of your windows. Double-hung windows Cayce may require glass replacement over time due to wear, damage, or fogging. Our window glass replacement Cayce services ensure that your windows are free from cracks and damage, providing clear views and improved energy efficiency. We also offer window pane replacement and window weatherproofing to enhance your window's durability and performance. Vinyl window replacement is a cost-effective and durable option for homeowners in Cayce. Double-hung windows Cayce made with vinyl frames provide excellent insulation and low-maintenance benefits. Our vinyl window replacement Cayce services provide high-quality windows that are easy to maintain and offer excellent insulation properties. With our window durability options, you can enjoy long-lasting windows that withstand the elements and provide reliable performance. Custom window solutions in Cayce allow you to create unique and personalized windows that reflect your style and preferences. Double-hung windows Cayce can be customized with different finishes, materials, and hardware options. Our custom window solutions Cayce services offer a wide range of design options, from window hardware replacement to window screen installation, ensuring your windows meet your specific needs. Our window measurement services ensure a perfect fit for your custom windows. Window insulation services are vital for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment and reducing energy costs. Double-hung windows Cayce with proper insulation help reduce heat loss and improve indoor comfort. Our window insulation services Cayce focus on providing windows with superior insulation properties, helping you achieve significant energy savings. Our window noise reduction solutions also enhance your home's comfort by minimizing external noise. Window pane replacement is necessary for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Double-hung windows Cayce benefit from professional pane replacement when glass becomes damaged or outdated. Our window pane replacement Cayce services ensure that your windows are free from damage and provide clear views. We also offer window weatherproofing and window UV protection to enhance your window's performance and longevity. Discover the best double-hung window installation services in Cayce, offering top-notch window sash replacement and energy-efficient windows. Double-hung windows Cayce installation improves ventilation, functionality, and style for your home. Our window frame installation and home window upgrades ensure your property remains in peak condition. With window glass replacement and vinyl window replacement options, we cater to all your residential window services needs in Cayce. For those seeking custom window solutions in Cayce, our window seal installation and window hardware replacement services are unmatched. Double-hung windows Cayce customization allows homeowners to achieve the perfect balance of design and functionality. We provide comprehensive window insulation services and window pane replacement to enhance your home's energy efficiency. Our window weatherproofing and window screen installation services in Cayce are designed to protect your home from the elements. Explore our wide range of window style options and window maintenance services in Cayce. Double-hung windows Cayce remain one of the most popular window styles because of their practicality and timeless design. Our window measurement services and window design consultation ensure a perfect fit for your home. We offer competitive window replacement cost estimates and work with window installation experts in Cayce to deliver exceptional results. Maximize your window energy savings with our window durability options and window noise reduction solutions. Double-hung windows Cayce can significantly improve insulation and comfort when installed professionally. Our window UV protection and window warranty services in Cayce provide peace of mind and long-lasting performance. Trust our double-hung window replacement services in Cayce for superior quality and reliability. Our residential window services in Cayce include window frame installation and home window upgrades, ensuring your property remains modern and efficient. Double-hung windows Cayce upgrades are a great way to increase property value and energy efficiency. With energy-efficient windows and vinyl window replacement options, we cater to all your needs. Our custom window solutions in Cayce are tailored to your preferences, offering window seal installation and window hardware replacement for optimal performance. Enhance your home's comfort with our window insulation services and window pane replacement in Cayce. Double-hung windows Cayce with upgraded insulation help maintain a stable indoor temperature throughout the year. Our window weatherproofing and window screen installation services protect against harsh weather conditions. Choose from a variety of window style options and benefit from our window maintenance services in Cayce. Our window measurement services and window design consultation in Cayce ensure a perfect fit for your home. Double-hung windows Cayce installations are completed with precision to ensure long-term durability and performance. We provide transparent window replacement cost estimates and collaborate with window installation experts in Cayce for outstanding results. Enjoy window energy savings with our window durability options and window noise reduction solutions. Our window UV protection and window warranty services in Cayce offer peace of mind and long-lasting performance. Double-hung windows Cayce are built to provide durability, energy efficiency, and aesthetic value. Trust our double-hung window replacement services in Cayce for superior quality and reliability. With residential window services in Cayce, including window frame installation and home window upgrades, your property will remain modern and efficient. Choose energy-efficient windows and vinyl window replacement options to meet your needs. Double-hung windows Cayce can be tailored with custom features and materials for enhanced performance. Our custom window solutions in Cayce are tailored to your preferences, offering window seal installation and window hardware replacement for optimal performance. Enhance your home's comfort with our window insulation services and window pane replacement in Cayce. Our window weatherproofing and window screen installation services protect against harsh weather conditions. Double-hung windows Cayce benefit from proper weatherproofing and regular maintenance to ensure longevity. Choose from a variety of window style options and benefit from our window maintenance services in Cayce. Our window measurement services and window design consultation in Cayce ensure a perfect fit for your home.